What's up, guys? So for today's video, we are going to react to SB19 live in Wish Bus, South Korea. Live performances of Moonlight and Gento. Let's go!
All right, for the inaugural performance live on board the Wish Bus in South Korea, give it up for P-Pop Kings SB19!
Hello everyone.
Kamusta po kayo lahat?
Ba't iba yung mic, no?
Let's get it.
Ang tunog yung mic dito
Let's
sa Wish
go!
Bus. And ito yung first time na magpa-perform sila sa Wish Bus, South Korea. First time nila kakantayin yung Moonlight dito sa Wish Bus. Okay. Interesting.
It's in the moments when your face is next to mine and we don't show it, but we're thinking of the times put it in motion. My desire taking over my emotion.
Napansin ko lang guys, medyo iba yung tunog niya compared dun sa mga Wish Bus like sa Wish USA, Wish Bus sa Philippines. I feel like ito kasi nakukuha niya yung parang echo, ganun, something ganun.
My emotions want you everywhere. Want you to scream my name.
Yung mic
With my
talaga
hands
is-
around your
Pero okay naman.
waist. Yeah, I like doing what we do in the moonlight. I'll be loving you, baby, all night.
Gusto ko yung suit dito ni Stella. Pang businessman yung atake. Alam mo yung tipong may meeting sila ganun. Yung alam niyo ba yung mic guys, parang naiisip ko yung yung mga karaoke na mga mics. Ganito yung tunog nila eh. Ganito yung mga tunugan nila ng mga mics.
Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, I like doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night.
Wait. Mga bata ba to? Oh, akala ko kasi mga bata. Tama ba? Yeah, daming tao.
Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, you don't wanna give me any reason. Show me what to do. Secret. We can hide the feelings between us. You and me, I'll never leave. Every way. Want you to scream my name
A miracle!
with my hands around your waist. Yeah, doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are
Oh, naka-ponytail dito si Ken.
shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, doing what we do in the moonlight. I'll be loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, I like doing what we do in the moonlight. Doing what we do in the moonlight. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
May mga Korean ako nakikita. I don't know if pure Korean sila, pero based sa physical appearance nila, yeah, Korean.
Next song,
talaga.
this is
Ready!
Ready!
Oh, may ready. We are ready! Let's go!
Get ready for the night.
Hey!
I'm ready. I've been waiting for this time for so long. Get ready for the night. You're ready.
By the way guys, super interesting pala kung sino yung kakanta sa kanila dun sa lines ni Apple the App. Or baka skip nila yun. Let's see guys.
I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night.
Ready for the lights, for the camera reacting. Baby, go ahead and jump in. Let's make the room full of diamonds are matching. I think it's a habit.
I don't wanna be the one to save you, but a flex might change you. All the different angles, just a little sample, just a little preview. Take it easy, baby, don't you hurt me. I need reason, baby, evening tasty, Lord of mercy. And we can take time and light the flame, coming on like Novocaine. Need just a little bit more.
By the way guys, napansin ko lang, parehas pa ng chain or necklace si Ken and Josh.
And I can be the one that you catch those flights, cause I feel it. So baby, tell me how to live it. Let's go, let's have a little toast, cause I'm taking off with you. Get ready for the night, I'm ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night, get ready, get ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night, night. I ain't living rock, so baby, I give you stock options. Boss up your functions, yeah, you're talking to the
Josh, let's go Josh!
founder. Let me level up your life. Hey, I'll break you to a below what you like tonight, night. Oh, baby.
So yung pagkakasabi doon ni Ken na baby.
Tonight, night. Oh, baby. Penthouse life we're living, and we catch flights, not feelings. And I can put you down if you with it. And I can be the one that you catch those flights, cause I feel it. So baby, tell me how we're living. Ready, set, go. Let's have a little toast, cause I'm taking off with you. Get ready for the night, I'm ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long.
By the way guys, napapansin ko tong bus na nasa likod nila. Ito nasa labas. Kanina pa itong dumadaan dyan. Ganda ba yung transportation nila sa Korea? Ang ganda lang. Medyo ano lang, sobrang appealing lang kasi ng color by the way. So yeah, anyway.
Get ready for the night, get ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night, night. Hey, get ready for the night, it feels amazing. Get ready for the night, it feels right. Get ready for the night, we're going crazy. I can't taste it. That is now we're getting close to you. Hold my hands, we're getting through.
Daming tao guys.
Call your friends and tell them to. We can pull up with the crew.
Cause we got nothing to lose.
I'm ready.
Isa pa nga.
Call your friends and tell them to. We can pull up with the crew.
Cause we got nothing to lose.
I'm ready. Get ready for the night. I'm ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night. Ooh, get ready for the night. Get ready for the night.
And there you have it, P-Pop Kings SB19.
Next guys, we have the Gento. Ito nasa labas na sa Wish Bus. No, nasa labas na talaga sila.
Korea!
Want some, I get some, no later. I woke up, baked dead potato. Got drunk, shake me for major, but I say me not mediocre. Tell me what you see, a Gucci, but the real question is where I make a movie. Never reality, cause you see, model me, hey! I did it, yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower, medyo rin na po ng power. Unang pag-sour, mga hell. Hindi na mga bagay-bagay, pwede namin sa bahay. Nahihit lang gawang katilan, pag pinupagdali ko mag-ingay.
Say what?
Ginto! Ginto! Bingo! Hino!
Ito parang bento.
Ginto! Ano kaya mo?
Dahil mo kayang bubunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Ginto, kahit nang wala pang ginto. Ginto, pasito bawat bitaw ko. Ginto, ito kaya mo.
Hindi ka basta-basta magkakalitan ng
Ginto! Ginto!
Honestly guys, di ko akalain na sobrang dami palang mga Filipino sa South Korea na nagtatrabaho. Kasi alam ko lang Japan, like mga Middle East na country.
Ginto! Ano? Di ko basta-basta makakakita ng ginto.
Di ko na kailangan ng ilok ng bato. Hindi maladana to. Aandar ang makina ko, tanging mekaniko. Kaya ko, lana moni-moni.
Guys, tignan nyo to guys. Ang dami. This is a great opportunity for SB19. Especially if they want to reach different places around the world.
Ko sa daming pinagdaan, nagpatong
Ng historiko, sosumahan si
Linan pumanik na rito. Oh,
hindi naman talaga madali. Ang dinig ko pa man hindi. Dali ko naman kung bakit tege manik. Panito, laging nalisto. Kahit ba si Mephisto, tignan pag nag-beat mo, Mephisto.
Say what?
The harder I work, the harder I play. Walang home goal, sige na sa pangalawa. Ito na mawala. Kahit pilitin mo mukha, hindi mo makukuha.
damn it, this isn't over.
Di pa tapos ang disaster. Alam ko namin danger. Pwedeng yung sooner magiging better kaya.
Alamin ang mga bagay-bagay.
Pwedeng
Kamay sa akin ba? Lahat ng mga
taas sa akin. Susunugin ang matuto na mamadala.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, gento, gento. Pilit dahil mo kayang bubunan, nakakita lang na.
Dito, kahit ang wala pa dito. Bento, bitaw ko. Dito, ito kaya mo. Basta nakakakita ng
Gento.
Hey.
Make some noise!
Yo! Halukain mo na.
May nakita kong Busan. Wait, sa Busan Station to guys. Ito ba yung like yung movie na Train to Busan?
Yo! Halukain mo na parang gento!
Huwag kang minto sa ordinaryo. Kahit masigil hanggang sa musika. Sabi mo, ito mga pinakita ng dito.
Gento! Gento! Say gento! Ano? Gento! One more time!
Gento! Gento! Halukain mo na parang gento. Huwag kang minto sa ordinaryo. Kahit masigil hanggang sa musika. Kapag tapos ang makakakita nito.
Magre-react din ako dito sa Moonlight SB19 pagtatag finale day 2 kasi hindi ko siya na-react. Actually dapat eto pa na-upload na pag-react na ako dito, napanood ko na to siya, but ngayon ko lang siya naalala and ngayon magre-react tayo dito. Moonlight SB19 pagtatag finale day 2. Let's go.
All right.
Time. Wow, ganda na ito.
Let's get ready, 18.
Dami. Terry Zong.
It's in the moments when your face is next to mine. My desire's taking over.
Want you to scream my name.
With my hands around. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you,
Nako, ba't di pinakita yung ano, steps?
baby, all
Ayun.
night.
Robot dance.
No, you don't wanna give me any reason.
Show me what to do. Secret. We can hide it between us.
Do I need another lead?
Anyway.
Cream my name
Miracle.
with my
Hands around your waist. Yeah, die. Doing what we do.
moonlight. I've been loving you, baby.
Honestly guys, di ko alam if star ba to ilang or may any. I hope, no? Sana malaman ko. Baka gusto nyong, or comment down below guys if anong meaning neto. Baka may meaning. Nung una kong nakita tong gantong ano, doon sa Moonlight official music video. Kala ko snowflakes, ganun. Yung ano, yung dating sa akin.
All night. Baby, you and me, shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling.
And by the way guys, eto palang wait. Eto guys, super hilig ni Ken no na parang nakahiga yung mga backup dancers or like yung mga members ng SB19 aside kay Ken. Yung ano, gagaya sa Bazinga, nakahiga rin yung iba ganun.
I've been loving you, baby, all night.
You and me, shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, night.
Doing what we do in the moonlight. I'll be loving you, baby, all night. Baby,
You and me, shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, night.
doing what we do in the moonlight.
Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Did you like our new single? Nagustuhan niyo ba yung newest single namin? Yun.
Ang tanong, yung newest single ba namin o si Terry yung nagustuhan nyo?
Ano?
Bastos
Terry?
Hoy, wag niyo akong materi-teri!
Kami ha?
Terry, you wanna come down here?
Nakakaselos na.
Let's give it up for Terry Zhang, guys.
Kamusta Manila? Yo, you guys were crazy down there.
Everyone, Terry Zhang!
He's from China, right?
Yo, thank you so much for having me here.
Oh, thank you so much. Para po sa inyong kalaman, for those people who don't know, Terry is one of the producers of the song Moonlight. Give it up for Terry!
Yeah!
Thank you guys
Napakahusay.
so much.
That's it, guys. Adios.